I'm going to show you how to connect to desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 directly to an LG Smart TV via cable. So currently I'm connected to desktop mode. You see the bottom left hand side of my phone here, that little rectangle for that touchpad. So I'll tap on that and now we got a little touchpad right here. You can see the mouse moving on the screen. I'll open up settings here. If you want to scroll down up or down, you got to use like 2 fingers on the touchpad. Like that. Let me go ahead and close that out. If you wanted to minimize this touchpad, there's a close button or X right there. Just double tap and you can get right back to your phone. If you want to go back to the touchpad, you touch it right there. And let me show you how you basically connect, okay? So you need a cable like this, an HDMI to a USB-C. Okay, so the HDMI plugs into the back of your LG TV, and this side you plug into your Samsung phone. So this is already plugged in. So also you have to make sure that you're on the correct HDMI port. Okay. So I'm on the correct HDMI port, so it pops up right away. Okay, if you're not, at least with this TV here, with LG TV with WebOS, you just need to go to your inputs or source and change it. This one here has a little button right here. I can just tap on that right there and I can go to the correct HDMI. It's already on HDMI 1, there it is, and then your screen will pop up. And of course, if you want to disconnect, simply just pull the plug. And also, you do not need, this connection is through the cable, so you don't need Wi-Fi or anything for the connection because it's not wireless. Questions or issues, just comment below.